What's up guys, Murray Motor here, and today we will be installing the black lens taillights housing for a 2009 to 2014 F-150. Today we'll be installing them on a 2010 F-150, but as I said, it shouldn't matter. It will work and be the same from 2009 to 2014 F-150s. So, to the people that watch the original video, sorry guys, you gotta watch basically the same video again, but I just felt like it wasn't quality enough last time, and I wanted to redo some things. Okay, so the first step to taking your taillights off will be opening the tailgate. And then there are 2 bolts to take out on each taillight. Then after you take the 2 bolts out, you should just be able to pull the taillight right off. And then you just take your 3 lights out and you should be good.
Yep, there you go.
So just to do some preventative maintenance, you can swap your light bulbs out while you have the lens out, just so they don't go out and you don't have to take your lenses out again. Guys, let me know what you think of the version with no music, and I'm hoping it's more quality also. So now you just put your 3 light bulbs back in. And now there will be 3 pins that you will have to line up and then push it right in, and it should be installed. And then you put your 2 bolts back in and you are ready for the plastic peel. For anyone who be interested in American Modified, you can use my link in the description and use code Murray in checkout to get 12% off. Also, American Modified does not just sell lights, they also sell body kits, grills, louvers, and more. What's up guys, me again. So I just want to say that this product, the black lens taillights, they're a very good product. They were fairly easy to install. Minor struggle just getting them off, but that's normal guys. It's like a 14-year-old truck. Yeah, if anyone would be interested in purchasing them, you can go to my link in the description. And thank you everyone for watching, and peace out.